Do you want a beautiful website but can't code? Worry no more. In just 10 minutes, I will show you how to build a stunning website for free using a no code tool. Welcome to Tommo Tech, where we make tech easy. Today, we are building a website using Canva. Grab your seats and let's go. Go to your browser and type canva.com. So canva.com is a no code tool. Okay, so when you get there, search in the search box, type websites to give you so many templates that are already there. You can see them. These are different types of websites that are available that some people have already designed. So there are so many. Okay, so you can actually narrow it down to what you want. Let me say educational websites. Okay, you can see this is, if you narrow it down, depends on what you want. Have you seen them? You can pick any one of them that you want. Okay, so let me say tech website. Okay, you can see them. Mm. So you can actually pick any one of them that you like. Okay, now these are templates that you can use, or you can see create a blank website. You can create yours and make it what you want, or you make use of anyone. So let's just use templates. Then I'm still going to make a blank one later. Let me, I think I like this. Let me take this. So when you select that, you can see this is a particular template. Under it, you can see other ones. If there's any one you like, or if you like that particular one, just go to customize this template. Okay, this has been done by someone. It's called Learning Hub. Last updated, you can see. Okay, so you can make yours this way, or you get another one. Now, these are different sections. This is the first section. This another section. If you go down, you have this another section. You go down, you have other section. So there are just so many like that. Then if you want to add a new one, you add another section. You can see this is how a section looks like. And for me, I actually have something in mind. I have a mock-up of what I have in mind to do. So let me show you the mock-up. And my mock-up is this. I want something like this. I want something like this. So this is the mock-up. So I'm going to do something that looks like this. This is like the first page, the home page. So I can actually customize this to give me what I want. Okay, so let me go back to it. You can see the color. So let me start. This is the first page. And you can see from mine, I just have just a very nice blue background color, have my image by the side, empowering you with future ready test skills, learn code, digital and creative. So this is just what I want there. So I'm going to have something like this also. So the first thing I can delete what is here. If it is not really what I want, I'm also going to have a picture like this, but not this really. In as much as I like this color, I can still change it. Okay, so you can see this that page, that first page. If this is what you want, it's a template anyway, so you see many things in the template. Okay, so the first thing I want is I want to change the color to the color I want, just as you have seen it in the one that I've done. But before then, let me just put a shape, this rectangular shape. Okay, you can see to expand it, just expand the shape. I've just expanded the shape. Okay, so I'm going to change the color. That color that I want, let me see, scroll down. And that color is not actually here, so let me go to add new color. Is blue, it's a kind of blue, not this. Mm, kind of blue color. Mm, okay. Oh, sorry. I was actually changing the text color, not the background color. Okay, this is the background color. So sorry. So this is the background color that I want to change. This blue. Okay, let me check the type of blue I have. See my type of blue. Okay, this type of blue. Let me see if I can still get it. Things should be deeper. Okay. Mm-mm. Okay, so let me just leave it this way. Then if you can see, there's an image or picture by the side. Let me say I already have some pictures here. Let me go to my upload and see if you can see a picture that I need. Need a picture. So I have this color already. So just as I've said that I need an image, I have some images here already. So I can actually check for if there's anyone here. Then if I don't have anyone, I can just search for any of the images here. So let me go to elements, search for someone using computer, someone using computer. So, so I have an image, this one, and so many others. So before I do that, I'm going to use a frame. Let me use a frame. Let me use this type of frame. Put the frame here so that when I put my image, it will balance well. Then someone using the computer. Mm, okay. I need an image, not a video. A picture. I need a picture, not a video. Okay, I think I like this. Okay. Hmm. I don't like this. Let me first go back to element. I want to check frame. Let me get a frame that I want. Okay. So these are different frames. Let me take this. I think I might have first something like this. Okay. Okay, so go to back to the element. Someone using computer. Someone using computer. Okay, so I have some of them here. Let me pick this. Okay, so you can expand it or you decrease it. Okay, so now I need to put some write up here. So to write my write up, go to text. From the text, it's not like a title, just like a body text. Let me see. Let me make it a body text. No, it's too small. Okay, let me use a title, then I can reduce it. Can reduce it later. Okay, to write, I'll check my font. I think to make my work both uh, readable and nice, I can reuse this Roboto or Montserrat. Let me look for Montserrat. Montserrat. This one. So I can use this. Okay, to write. So I already have something in my mockup empowering you with future ready test skills. Empowering you with future ready skills. So I'm going to type. Okay, inspiring you with future ready skills. You can see. Okay, I'm going to use white color. So you go to color, look at where color is. And what I need is just white. No, is this not white? Let me check among if I have white color. Is white. Okay, I want the text color to be white. Okay, so and I'm going to make it bigger than this is 42. Make it like 60 and say too much. Let me leave it as 50. Okay, empowering you with the test scale. Let me check for my mockup. Mm, okay, okay. So I'm going to bold it. Bold is to format it, make it. I want something like this. Then let me move it up a bit like this. I move this up a bit because I'm still going to create small space under. Okay. Okay. So after that, I'm going to learn coding, digital tools, and creative tech skills. Okay, so I'm going to type that learn coding. So I'm going to use this one that's not too big now. This will be learn coding, comma, digital skills. Okay. Then coding, digital skills, digital and creative tech skill. Digital tools and creative tech skills. Okay. So let's assume I can check. Let me change this one. Let me remove this one. Okay, I don't want to bold it. I don't want it bolded. So let me remove bold. Okay. Then coding, digital tools, and creative tech skills in a fun and practical way. In a fun and practical way. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to have a button here that says start learning now. And to do that, I need a rectangle. Okay, let me reduce this because I'm going to pick. Okay, so I'll go. I need a rectangle that shapes. Delete what I have here. Shapes. A rectangle shape. Got it. The first shape I need will be here. Based on my mock-up. Okay, let me check. It's white. Okay. 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 So this color here, color of this shape is white. Look for white color. So I'm going to type there later. Okay. So I need another rectangle. I can actually duplicate this. This one, Control D. You can use Control D or you can just use duplicates. Or you can click on anything you want to duplicate and click on duplicate. That's another way of doing it. Or you press Control key if you know your shortcut buttons. Okay, so I'm going to use this. Using this one as a button. Let me take this one up a bit, reduce it a bit. Let's come and say start learning now. So I'm going to type start test, give it a title. So the color is white. I'm going to make it, let me change the color first to black. Okay, so what I want start learning now. Okay. Okay, let me adjust it to fit in. Let me adjust it to fit in. What are you doing? Okay, let me make this box a bit wider. Okay, then reduce it here to enter inside this. Okay, so let me reduce the size. Start learning now. Okay. I think it's okay. So let me check from my mock-up which color is this. Start learning now. Okay, will be a white inside a blue color. White inside a blue color. Okay. This now here for now. So that will have enough space. I'm still doing the first page. Okay, okay. So this blue color. So change the color now to blue, a deeper blue. Okay, let me get that blue. Okay, let me get this blue already then. Needs to be more. Okay, okay. This one is better now. I think it's okay. Then this will be white. I'll go to A here to change the color to white. Okay. Start learning now. Okay, so this will come down. Then I can increase it here a bit. So explore our courses. Explore our courses on the white. Okay. That means this needs to leave small space here. Okay. Reduce it if possible because of the space I'm looking for. Okay. Then this small space. Okay. Then this, okay, but I will need to reduce it because I need to put another one here. So I'm going to reduce it. I'm going to reduce it more for it to enter here. Okay, so let me change the to Montserrat. Okay. The box is still big. Let me just reduce it a bit. Reduce it a bit. Okay. So I'm going to explore our courses, right? Explore our courses. So the next one that I'll type now is, I'm using the same one I used there. So by this side you have explore our courses. Okay, it's still big, so I'm going to reduce it. Okay. So I'm going to give it outline, make the outline color, give it outline color because the way it is now you can see explore our courses. Explore our courses. Okay, this is okay. Just increase it a bit. Go back to the effect. I want to give it outline really, but the outline I think the color should be the blue that I'm using. Check this blue. This okay. Then let me increase it a bit. Okay. So here it can be bigger than what we have here. Okay, so explore our courses is here. So you can see this is the first page, and I can go on and on and on to continue this. The next one, if you look at here, I'll go back here. This is another section, but in mine, I'm going to call it services, which means I may delete what is there to put mine. If you don't want to, if you just want to change what is written there, you're just free to change everything the way, customize it to the way you want. Anything you want to put there, you are free because it is your work. As you can see, the first, that's the home page, and this is the second one, are services. So for now, I'm going to delete all these other ones. I'm going to delete the page. Delete this section. If you don't need them, I'm just deleting them because for now I don't need them since I have just these two pages I've worked on. Okay, so this you can see it. This is what I have here, the website I have here. Now let's go to share. Let's share. Then you will see website here. Okay. Have you seen it? How it looks like. Then you do what? Publish. You can let me change the name here. Before I publish, let me change the name. I call it Tommo. Okay. Or let me close. Let me change the name here also and turn it to Tommo website. Okay, Tommo website. Then let's go and do what? Go to website. So the site URL, mm, see it's Canvas. I'm going to Tommo website. You can see it here. Tommo website. You can actually copy it now. I say publish. You can see say view the website. Let me copy it first. Then view. Are you seeing it? This is the website. So it depends on what design Canva is showing. Have you seen it? You can quickly do anything you want to do. If you have built something today, comment down below. If you want to turn it to a full portfolio, hit the subscribe button.